The best $200,000 passive income on autopilot. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. This video will discuss how you get $200,000 on autopilot. Actually, there are many ways to get $200,000, but what we will discuss today is how to get it very easily. If you are curious about what products we will discuss, let's open the Etsy website first, because there are many product choices that you can do to get $200,000. In this video we will discuss digital products and physical products that have a wall art niche. The reason I suggest wall art is because this niche includes a niche that has great advantages when compared to other niches, and let's discuss it in full in this video. If you observe, there are 3 categories that you can try when you are doing niche wall art in an Etsy shop, where you can also work all those categories in your shop to see what category is suitable for you to choose. The first category is wall art, which you can easily make in Canva because all the elements in it are available in Canva and we only need to combine them according to the theme you want to work with. You just type using the keyword wall art and there will be many product choices that fall into this category, but what I recommend to study and enter this category is a shop called Kiki and Nim. If you look at the products from the shop, most of them are simple and easy to make on Canva, and they sell them in bundles to increase the selling price of their products. If you see that there are snowflake items and so on, you only need to make a number of works with certain themes, for example the Christmas theme with deer ornaments, snowflakes, Christmas trees, and so on. If you look at this, there is also a bestseller writing, so you can observe this product because it has enough enthusiasts to get the bestseller label. And if you look at the review column, there is a review this month indicating that this product is currently in great demand this month. Next, we try to analyze this product in detail using Alara, or you can use other applications to analyze this product. It turns out that this shop generates around $500,000 in revenue just by selling wall art. Another unique fact is that the product we are discussing is only the 11th best-selling product from this shop, with this month's revenue alone reaching $1,100 from this product alone. And keep in mind, this is a digital product whose profits reach 90% after deducting fees and so on. Let's see what kind of designs are selling well from this shop, and let's try to make these designs, and it turns out that these designs are Halloween themed and contain bundles of various wall art which of course have Halloween themes too. If we look at the sales of this bundle, it has reached $4,400 for this month alone, and of course this is the profit you can get if you sell products that have a higher price, and the profit you get is also higher. So my advice is that you can observe the shop and sell wall art products that are similar to this shop, where you can sell better ones, because actually the product designs from this shop are quite easy to make. Let's try to make in Canva one of the 2 paintings according to the 2 products we discussed earlier, one with a Christmas theme and the other with a Halloween theme. First, let's open the Etsy website or the link from the product we discussed earlier, and we'll see what size canvas we have to make. It turns out that there are quite a lot of sizes and they vary, so we just choose one size because this is just a tutorial. Then we return to the Canva website and we just click create a new design with size 4x6 inches or size 8x12 inches. You only need to find elements that match the theme of the wall art that you want to make, for example a Halloween theme with a picture of a cat. Then you just search for the keywords cat black or cat silhouette or so on, and you just arrange the picture of the cat so that it is similar to the wall art in the Etsy shop earlier. This is also the same if you want to make wall art with a Christmas theme, then just use various ornaments that match Christmas, such as a Christmas tree. Then you can choose a suitable Christmas tree to place on the wall art that you want to sell, or you can combine several Christmas trees so that it looks nicer, and don't forget to add some writing that matches the Christmas atmosphere. Creating unique wall art designs is easy, but if you feel like elements in Canva are lacking, you can get elements on Creative Fabrica and subscribe there to get the elements you like and style them like the previous tutorial. Next, we discuss the second category if you want to open an Etsy store with niche wall art, namely wall art with custom designs from your buyers. An example of a shop that uses this concept is a shop called Pretty Perfect Studio. All products from this shop come from the custom designs of the buyers. This shop doesn't sell digital products, but the physical products they sell and the profits are huge if you compare them to digital products, even though they are both niche wall art. If we look at the total reviews, it reaches 12,000 reviews of all products in this store, and sales reach 50,000 items of total sales. The reason I say this is that the price per product is higher than the product we discussed earlier, and the shop owner only needs to send a picture or quote according to the buyer's wishes to the print-on-demand service provider. You can use any print-on-demand because there are many choices of print-on-demand manufacturers that you can use. The total price will come out, and the profit you can get can be more than 50% depending on the size of the product you are buying. You can check the price at the provider you choose. In this tutorial, you can see for yourself the price of each size along with shipping costs, so you can actually calculate for yourself how much profit you can get from this product. If we look at the bottom of the title, it says this product is a bestseller, which means we have to study it because it is a product that has a lot of interest, and this is also evident in the review section. It turns out that this product has nearly 700 reviews of this product alone. Now let's check how much income he gets from selling products like this. We will check it using Alura, but you can use other tools that suit your needs. Of course, we enter the name of the shop on the Shop Analyzer menu, then we observe that the income from the shop's products reaches $1.5 million, and the income per month is around $50,000 this month. But there is one drawback of this category which in my opinion is quite necessary to pay attention to. The drawback is when someone buys your product, you have to help him edit it according to the needs of your buyer. But this only takes 10 minutes or less because you only need to open Canva and you change the text or quote according to what the buyer wants, unless they have designed it themselves, then you only need to provide the file to the print-on-demand service provider. The next category in the wall art niche is that you sell designs as usual, but there are tricks you can use to get big profits. There are two Etsy shops that I think you should learn about because these two stores have uniqueness that you can apply in your Etsy shop. There are many unique shops in this category, and one example is if you try to enter the keyword Mona Lisa painting in the SD search field, surely there are lots of people selling Mona Lisa paintings. It's definitely not possible for the person to draw the painting himself so that it's similar and exactly the same in every one of these shops. The secret is that they take pictures from raw pixel. So you just open raw pixel and you can sell pictures from this website. You can use this website to sell various kinds of paintings that suit the buyer you want, because almost all the pictures from this website are royalty-free or free for you to use even for commercial purposes. So you only need to connect your Etsy shop with a print-on-demand service and you can take the designs from this website, and there are many image choices that you can just adjust to your needs. One more piece of info actually, if your product uses print-on-demand and your Etsy shop is connected to a print-on-demand service provider, and this makes it automatic, but as long as the design doesn't require editing. So when there is a buyer, Etsy will send your design to the print-on-demand service and the print-on-demand service will send your product to the buyer, and this becomes 100% autopilot and you get passive income. One more thing that is unique about this category is that you can sell your original paintings in the form of wall art or digital products. One example of an Etsy shop that applies this is North Print. This shop has the words bestseller as well as the shop we discussed earlier. This shop is suitable for those of you who have talent in painting or drawing digitally or using Canvas directly. The total sales of its products reached 230,000 sales of digital products, and the reviews reached 13,000 reviews. If we check using Alura, it turns out that this shop has made more than $1.7 million by selling digital products. Another unique fact about this shop is that the best-selling products from this shop are able to generate a total income of around $260,000, and this month's income alone reaches $17,000. Just for info, you can make works like that too without drawing or painting skills using AI. You can use whichever AI you like. I am in today's tutorial using Canva text to image. The way you just click on the top right corner is the size of the page you want to make. I use 8 inches multiplied by 12 inches. At the bottom there is an apps menu and you just select text to image. When you click this menu there will be a choice of what kind of image you want. I'm going to try with keywords some pink flowers with green stems on a white background and a vintage feel. Then you click on the painting and just wait for the process to finish, but the results can be different depending on Canva's AI in managing the existing images. So you just try to be as creative as possible or as detailed as possible when you enter keywords in this tool, because the results can vary, and don't forget to save your work. I suggest you also try other AI because there are many choices and other platforms that can be used. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.